I'm an exponent. I'm a shortcut for multiplying the same number again and again. Today, let's fully understand how I work step by step. In 2 cubed, the big number, 2, is called the base. That's the number being multiplied. The small number is called the exponent. It tells you how many times to multiply the by itself. So 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed equals 8. Let's try another one, 5 squared. That means 5 times 5, which equals 25. When the exponent is 2, we often say the number is squared. And when the exponent is 3, we say the number is cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 27. That's also why it's called cubed. It fills up a cube shape. When multiplying powers with the same base, just add the exponents. 2 squared times 2 cubed equals 2 to the power of 5, because 2 plus 3 equals 5. When you raise a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. 2 squared, all raised to the power of 3, equals 2 to the power of 6, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Here's a surprising rule. Any number raised to the power of 0 always equals 1. So 7 to the power of 0 is just 1, no matter how big the base is. A negative exponent means flip it into a fraction. 2 to the power of -2 becomes 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. Negative exponents make numbers smaller, not negative. Exponents aren't just theory. Scientists use powers of 10 to measure everything, from the size of an ant, distance to a planet. It's the easiest way to write extremely large or small numbers. Exponents also explain how things grow really fast, like population growth or money multiplying with compound interest. That's called exponential growth, and it all comes back to powers.
Quick practice. What is 3 to the power of 4? Pause the video and try it yourself before I reveal the answer.
The answer is 81. Since 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. Let's recap. Base, exponent, the product rule, the power rule. Now you understand exponents completely. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more easy math lessons, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.